This is a 2020 Winnebago Navion that's been modified to run the air conditioner 365 24/7 entirely on battery power. So the first thing you're going to see here is we install the European mini split. This allows us to have a SEER rating of over 30, and what powers that is going to be 5 400-watt solar panels, as you can see here. And that one goes ahead and feeds a 5,000 watt and a 3,000 watt inverter, along with this 60 volt 9 kilowatt hour battery by Lithium RV. And this will run the air conditioner 365 24/7. It also includes heat, and it is so much quieter than the factory AC.